Right guys, and hi everyone, this is me, Racing Wolf, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, as you can see today, we are at Donington Park. Wow, look at this! Wow, right guys, I don't know what class is this, but this is not what I'm filming. I'm here today. This guy is shouting louder than me. Right guys, it was a bit noisy out there, so I had to move into one of the pit lane garages, and today I'm filming, actually not about these cars I'm filming, but I'm definitely going to show you these cars. What I'm filming today is, here we go, today I'm filming these guys. This is a SuperKart, not exactly that one. You remember Jack Tritton? So I'm filming this. This is his go-kart. Here we go. Karting Chroma, all the sponsors, number 87, Jack Tritton. Here he is, guys. Did it help to push?
Don't worry, it's fine.
That's alright, mate. I'm okay to touch this one?
Lost the eyes, so the gearbox will push afterwards.
Here you go, guys.
Thank you.
Morning! How are you?
Good, how are you?
Still sleeping?
No, just trying to start.
How are you doing, mate?
I'm good.
Looks like interesting day today.
Yeah, hopefully it'll stay dry.
Looks like I'm filming history of Donington.
Yeah.
Oh man, what's happened? It's off all the area. It's all the way the service station, no power.
Really?
Yeah, here no power. I mean the whole area is power cut. And this country telling me to buy an electric car. Yeah. Right guys, so here I am at Donington Park with Jack Tritton. Say hi to the viewers. Hello. Okay guys, so this is as I said, round 3 of Super Series, yeah? Yeah, of the Super Series, and as you remember, Jack in the Division 1 this year, and we fighting for positions. Right, mate, unfortunately I haven't been here yesterday, and with the SuperKarts, every weekend is something different, so you had the 2 races yesterday, yeah? Yeah. Can we first of all quickly talk about race number 1? How was it for you? What the moments you remember, what you want to say to the viewers?
Yes, so race number 1, we started in 8th place, and I thought we were getting a better start, but as we're heading towards the first corner, I just had a couple of cars come past me, so yeah, didn't quite get the best start. And then as the race went on, I managed to pick off a driver in front, and then I started to put some good laps in, started to catch, I think it was 7th place, and then the safety car came out. So we had a lap behind that, and then for some reason they decided the safety car picked up like towards the back of the pack. So you had all of the back runners at the front of the safety car and all of the front runners at the back of it. When they went green, it wasn't at the start line, it was before the last corner. So I was just still trying to slow it down so I could get a clear run, try and clear the engine out, and then I look up and there's a green flag. So they restarted at such an interesting place that I then lost another place from behind. By the time we got going again, it was just it was a nightmare.
So where you finish at the end?
I dropped to 9th and then got back up to 8th towards the end.
So you got the position.
We managed to recover back to 8th, but it was annoying because we were pushing for.
But it sounds like it was really poor start.
It wasn't very good. No.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna take you a little bit around the pit lane because there is something interesting to show you, and then I'm gonna come back to Jack and speak about race number 2. Right, guys, while Jack preparing his go-kart for race number 3, I'm still gonna come back to him and speak about race number 2. Let me just quickly show you about this little amazing nice Ford KA. Let me go into the pit lane and show you more about it.
We've sort of done quali, but
When you done it?
they've earlier.
Oh, really?
It's weird because all the electric's gone down. We're doing sort of every driver gets 3 laps, and then the grid position being pulled out of a hat.
Oh my God, it's like
So
a karting.
quali's got nothing. Yeah, quali's got nothing to do with our grid position.
How much is it for me to test it?
Or not as much as other cars.
Right, guys, I met friends from RHPK. Andy, May, you driving this one or you mechanic?
Yeah, no, this is our car, yeah.
You're driving, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice one. A little bit about the car. Is that standard engine, isn't it?
Pretty much everything is standard on it, apart from the suspension, the tyres and the brake pads. And then obviously the car's all stripped out, safety cage.
Yeah.
Race seat harnesses, all that kind of stuff.
So
Effectively standard power.
So it's really cheap to run.
It's one of the cheapest forms of circuit racing.
What do we need to join any of the teams?
Obviously, you need your racing
License.
Yeah.
And then I can join the team up here.
You can join the team up there, yeah.
Wow, nice one.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you very much for information, mate.
No
Thank you. Good luck today. Right, guys, this was a little bit about this beautiful, amazing Ford Ka. I really like them. I would love to test them. I want to see if they're quicker than my Toyota Prius, honestly. But now let's back into the pit lane and speak with Jack about race number 2 at Donington, which happened yesterday. Camera. So Jack, round number 2 for the Donington, race number 2 for Donington. What was interesting? How was the start?
So again, I tried to focus on my starts, and I could see the drivers in front start to sort of put their foot down, so I went to go.
Where you started?
I started in 7th this time.
7. Where you finished actually?
Or off of lap times.
Yeah.
And then they sort of slowed up, so I hit the brakes again, so I didn't obviously jump one before the start line. So then when we went, I think another 2 cars come past. So again, a poor start. And I think on the first lap there was an incident in the 250 class where 3 cars went off. And then the safety car got brought out, but then they red flagged it. So we had to come back in the pit lane, and obviously we just had to wait. We started back in the original positions we were in, but under safety car conditions, so it was like a single file, which I thought I'd get a better start this time, but for some reason the car in that race just wasn't running right.
So this is when the engine issue happened?
Yeah, so every part of the track and every gear, it was just not running cleanly. It was like a misfire the whole way through, so I was having to try and short shift to get through it, but I just had no straight line speed, so they were coming out the corners and just driving past me. If I was in the toe of another driver, which I tried to spend a lot of the race in, I could lift off the throttle slightly and it just helped it keep up a little bit, but if I held it flat out, it just didn't want to go. So it was quite hard, and I think I dropped back to about 11th or so, and I managed to recover right towards the end, and I think we ended up finishing 6th.
That's a good recovery.
We'll take the result, considering sort of how poorly the engine was running.
Yeah. So you had it all night up till now. So how do you think issue fixed? Have you found the issue?
We haven't found an issue. There's a couple of things we've seen that it could be, and we spoke to a lot of people and they've all given us some different solutions. So we've literally done every solution they've given us. Hopefully it's fixed. We did start it up and it did sound a lot better.
Oh yeah?
So, but it's different starting on a stand to on the track.
Okay guys, we're gonna take you straight into the race number 3 at Donington Park. Engine? Just got out.
The issues we were having yesterday are still the same, but this time we just
yeah.
Yeah, just don't know what's causing it.
Need a proper rebuilding.
I don't know. It's had one.
Wow. Okay, then that is a tricky one. If you don't know what is it causing. Because I'll be honest with you, during the year when I watched you, the start was always kind of tricky one, but I don't know, is it lack of experience or what it is?
Maybe.
Right guys, this was race number 3 at Donington, which unfortunately didn't went well. But you know, the things like this, I said it many times already, and I have to say it once again, the things like this is happening, and you just have to deal with them after the race. So yeah, unfortunately, position wise, points wise, it wasn't the best weekend for Jack, comparing to the last year, because last year here at Donington he won his championship in Division 2, and this is when I filmed him here. So you see, there is no lucky unlucky circuits. Every time each venue is different for you, every single time, and today is a proof of there is no luck, there is no talent, there is situations which is occasionally happening, because it's racing, it's engines, they breaking down, anything can happen. So some of the things you can't predict everything in the motorsport, but sometimes some things which is wearing out, not every time possible to predict it, you know. So yeah, you know what, I'm not gonna go to Jack, I'm not gonna disturb him, because I'm more than sure he have loads of thoughts now in his head, and I'm not gonna disturb him. But you know what, I want to say you all these things which I'm telling at the end, but this is not the end. You know what, I'll use a few more minutes, because I think video is really too short. I'll use a few more minutes. You know what, I want to show you, and I want to watch by myself the Ford KA. It's an endurance race. Listen, let's go into the pit, into the garages in the pit lane, and I'll tell you more about this event.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream?
Straight, isn't it? Yeah.
I just wanted to let you know I miss you. I know we haven't spoken in a while and things have been weird. But I still think about you a lot. Do you think about me?
Right guys, this is it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see ya.